Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by aiming straight at the axes. Confirm which axis shows categories and which shows frequency, then locate the tallest visual element. Once done, trace horizontally from that peak to the x-axis to read the mode category label. This is faster and less error-prone than averaging. Make sure to check whether the display uses bars, points, or a histogram shape, because the visual peak looks slightly different in each. By the end of this step, you'll have a candidate mode to verify. Next, verify that your candidate is truly the mode by reading the numeric frequency at that peak. Compare that value to adjacent bars or points to ensure no ties. If two peaks share the same maximum frequency, both are modes. Make sure to use the graph scale and tick marks. A compressed y-axis can hide differences. Once you confirm numeric superiority, mentally record that category as the mode. This step prevents mistakes from visual illusions or irregular scale. Finally, report the mode by stating the category label and its frequency value. If two or more peaks tie, list them all as multimodal. Once done, briefly justify your choice by citing the peak height versus neighbors. If the graph is noisy or bars look identical due to scale, resolve the issue by requesting the underlying counts or zooming the axis to inspect tick increments. This troubleshooting step clears ambiguity and gives you a precise, defensible mode.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.